Little fox.
Meet the animals. Gecko. Hello. Who are you? I'm a gecko. Geckos are colorful lizards. Where do you live? Geckos live all over the world. We like rainforests and deserts. But some geckos live in cold places. What do you eat? Geckos eat lots of insects. We also like fruit and flower nectar. Your tail is cool. Our tails help us climb. And they protect us from enemies. How do your tails protect you? Sometimes enemies grab our tails. We break off our tails to escape. They grow back quickly. Do geckos make sounds? Yes, many lizards hiss. But geckos also click and chirp. We can even bark. You have cute little toes. We have pads on our toes. The pads are sticky. That helps us climb and stick to things. I see a tasty cricket. See you later. Goodbye, Gecko. Meet the animals. Parrot.
Squawk. Squawk.
Hello. Who are you?
Squawk. I'm a parrot. Parrots are a type of bird.
Where do you live?
Parrots live all over the world. Most parrots like warm places, like rainforests. But some live in snowy places.
What do you eat?
Parrots mostly eat nuts and seeds. Our beaks are sharp. We use them to crack open nuts and seeds.
Do all parrots look the same?
No, there are many different kinds of parrots. But we all have curved beaks. And we all have 4 toes.
Can parrots really learn words?
Yep, parrots are very smart birds. Some parrots can learn words from people. We can imitate other sounds too.
Do you live alone?
Parrots live in groups called flocks. We like to talk to each other. We scream and squawk.
Do you have any enemies?
People are our main enemy. They often take us for pets. I see my flock. Goodbye.
Parrot. Meet the animals. Flamingo. Hey, it's a giant pink bird. Who are you?
I'm a flamingo. Flamingos are waders. Those are birds that stay near shallow water.
Where do you live?
We live all over the world. We like lakes, ponds, and oceans.
Do you live alone?
Nope. Flamingos live together in big groups.
Wow! You can stand on one leg.
Yes, we stand on one leg to rest. And we stand on two legs to eat.
What do you eat?
We like snails, plants, and fish. We also eat lots of shrimp. Their pink color makes our feathers turn pink.
Your neck is so long.
Our long neck helps us to fish. And our bill is like a shovel. We use it to scoop up food.
Can you swim?
Oh, yes, we can swim. We have webbed feet. We can also run on the water. And fly into the sky.
Goodbye, Flamingo! Meet the animals. Ladybug. Aw, you're cute. Who are you? I'm a ladybug. We're small beetles. Beetles are insects. Where do you live? Ladybugs live all over the world. We like forests, rivers, and even houses. Some people call us ladybirds or lady beetles. What do you eat? We like bugs that eat plants. So farmers love ladybugs. We protect their crops. You're bright red. Ladybugs are usually red, yellow, or orange. Some ladybugs have stripes. But most have black spots like mine. Why do you have those spots? Our spots and bright colors keep enemies away. They warn animals that we taste bad. Who are your enemies? Birds sometimes eat ladybugs. So do frogs, spiders, and dragonflies. Do you sleep during winter?
Yes, we sleep under rocks or inside old logs. Sometimes we go into houses to get warm. Did you see my wings? Look, I can fly! Bye, Ladybug!
Meet the animals. Wild turkey. Hello. Who are you?
I'm a wild turkey. Turkeys are large birds.
Where do you live?
We live all over the world. We like forests, but we also live in swamps and grasslands.
What do you eat?
Wild turkeys like nuts, seeds, and fruits. We also eat bugs and tiny animals. We scratch the ground to find food.
You're a male turkey, right?
Right. Males are bigger than females. Our heads are very colorful. And our tails look like fans.
Can you make sounds?
Yes, male turkeys make a loud gobble sound. We are very loud sometimes.
Do you ever fly?
Wild turkeys like to walk and run. But we can fly too. At night, we fly up into trees.
I see your flock.
We like to stay in groups. That keeps us safe from enemies. Coyotes, foxes, and people hunt us. I need some sleep. Gobble, gobble!
Good night, wild turkey. Meet the animals. Clownfish. Hi there. Who are you?
I'm a clownfish. We are very colorful fish.
Where do you live?
Clownfish live in the ocean. We like warm water. We swim near rocks and reefs.
What do you eat?
Clownfish eat lots of plants. We also eat tiny animals.
What's behind you?
That's a sea anemone. Some fish are afraid of them, but I'm not.
You like anemones?
Yes, we help each other. Clownfish live with anemones. They protect us from enemies.
How do clownfish help anemones?
Clownfish clean anemones. We chase their enemies away. And we share our food.
Do all clownfish look like you?
No, clownfish have different colors. Some have different patterns. Look, I have 3 white stripes. Oh no! The anemone needs help. Goodbye.
Goodbye, clownfish. Meet the animals. Monarch butterfly. You're pretty. Who are you? I'm a monarch butterfly.
Butterflies are insects.
Where do you live?
We stay near a plant called milkweed. We live in North America in spring and summer. In the fall, we fly away.
Oh, where do you go?
Monarch butterflies usually fly to Mexico. It's much warmer there.
That's a long trip.
Yes, we fly thousands of kilometers. I've never made the trip before, but I'll know where to go.
What do monarchs eat?
Monarch caterpillars eat milkweed. Monarch butterflies sip nectar from flowers.
Do monarchs lay eggs?
Butterflies lay eggs on milkweed leaves. Baby caterpillars hatch from the eggs. The caterpillars begin eating and growing.
How do the caterpillars become butterflies?
The caterpillars stick to leaves. Their skin turns into a hard case. 10 days later, butterflies fly out. Well, it's time to fly away.
Have a safe trip, monarch butterfly.
Little fox.